What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's gonna be just a vlog video of some stuff I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be moving. So yeah, stay tuned for that. All right, so kind of a clickbait, but I am not moving out of my house. I am gonna be moving this shed, and the red RSX are gonna be going down the hill. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be doing. Basically, I'm gonna take all my tools out of here, all the spare parts, everything in here, and possibly the shed, and we're gonna be moving them down the hill down here because I am tired of working in the ground, tired of working under the weather. I want to be covered, I want to be warm, and tired of rolling around in rocks. So plan is to move everything down to this 20, I think it's 20 by something container down here. I'll show you when I get down there. Basically take, this kind of awnings that I got this truck under, and I'm going to set some awnings up down there to park the cars under, and enclose the sides. That way I have a way to keep out of the weather, keep out of the elements. So I'll go ahead and take you guys down there and show you what my plan is. The reason why I'm doing all this, not just because I'm working on the elements, is also because I'm going to be doing a lot of work to this here pretty quick. I'm going to be port matching the RBC for the throttle body and all that stuff. So I want a nice clean area to do all that stuff. So down here is the best bet to do it. So yeah. So the plan is I'm going to cut this tree down, and this tree down. And basically I'm going to reuse that little container right here. But basically I'm going to have some awnings come off of this container. And basically so I can park my cars inside, put some concrete down, enclose the sides, have some doors that swing open, so I can, keep out of the elements and keep out of the weather for this winter and, summertime. So that's the plan for out here. I got this big old table that I got from work. They're gonna throw away, work table that I'm gonna put in the container. It's a cool little table. It's got a compartment inside. I'll probably put some metal on top. Put my vise on there. Next thing is I gotta try to get this big ass heavy bitch out of here. I might just fucking sand it and let it come off the tailgate. And if the wheels break, I'll put some new wheels on it. But hopefully it doesn't break my tailgate. We'll see. So here's the container. So basically I'll also have another, little awning that comes off of here. Probably just pave it with stepping stones, because if I ever decide to get rid of this and they need to get it out of here, I won't have concrete. So yeah. So I got some shit to pick up, throw away. I got some stuff to restack, move everything back and restack it all nice. That way I can make the most out of the space in here. So I'll probably be able to get, 75% of it. It'll be all workspace. But I went and bought Harbor Freight, went and bought some lights to hook up in here. Everything's got to be ran with the plug outlet, which I have a plug outlet on the other side, so that I can have light and power in here, because I can't be drilling into none of these sides or anything, because it's technically not mine. I'm renting it, I guess you could say. So yeah, that's going to be sweet to have that in there. I'll probably come out here and put my red RSX right here for the time being and get the motor dropped in and have it out of the elements when once I start getting all this stuff built up. This dude eating fucking trees. Anyways, yeah, so that's my plan. To stay out of the weather, stay out of the elements, have a nice little work area to work in. Plus these containers, they keep moisture out and all that stuff, and they're still pretty good. And then over here, I'll do like freaking, stands and put spare parts and shit like that. Got to eventually get rid of this truck, send it to the scrapyard. So that's the plan. That's what I'm going to try to do next couple weeks, is get this all set up for, you know, winter time and start working on these cars. First thing I got to do though is right here on this corner, I got to run some of that orange construction plastic fencing, temporary fencing across here, and probably take it and run it across here. That way these goats don't be messing with me when I'm working on shit, because they'll be getting into everything. Goats are nosy. So yeah, so that's the plan. So I'm gonna be working on trying to get everything down here and set up so I don't have to be working under the elements, rolling around in rocks and shit. But I gotta get some concrete paved, of course, put down. But yeah, so that's the plan. Can't wait. So I'll probably throw some videos later on me, you know, out here laying some concrete, cutting some trees or whatever, you know, some content. But that's the plan. So I am going to start right now, try to get that thing out of the back of my truck and hopefully don't break my tailgate, and then start moving a bunch of stuff down here. So yeah, there it is. So damn, sons of mice. So on that note, that's going to be my little shop. I wish I could afford a big shop, but I can't right now. It's too expensive. Plus I'm buying too many parts for the cars. So we're going to make do with what I got already. So thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and KLD, and I'll catch you on the next one. Oh yeah, the next one will probably be RBC install, battery relocation install, and all that stuff. So look out for those videos. So yeah, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and KLD. Catch you on the next one.